Hello guys, welcome to my channel Arbitrary Explorer. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you have any questions regarding my video or my upcoming videos, please write it in the comment box. So in this video, I will draw a honeybee. So do you know a honeybee pollinates many fruits and flowering plants? Yes, honeybee lives in hives, and members of their hives are queen, worker and drones. Drones are the male bees, and their purpose is to mate with new queen, and the workers are the female, and their role is to forage for food, build, protect and clean their hives. There is only one queen that runs the whole family. Queen release some chemicals that guide the behavior of the whole hive. So do you know why this amazing buzzing creature make honey? They make honey for the winter season as a food storage, but they make honey 2 to 6 times more than they required. We are lucky enough that they make more than they require, which we can use. So do you know the larvae of honeybee, when fed with royal honey, will become a queen bee? Yes, they look very small, but they can fly up to 25 kilometers per hour and beat about 200 times per second. It takes only 1 ounce of honey to fly across the globe. A queen on a summer day can lay about 2500 eggs per day. So do you know honeybee hives are kept beside the rice field and sunflower field, which helps in increasing the yield? And during the winter they can also sell the honey. So it's a two-way profit. So do you know honey has an anti-aging activity, as it contains probiotics and antioxidant and nutrients and enzymes? But the sad news is that over the last 15 years, colonies of bees have been disappearing, and the reason remains unknown. Scientists were referring it as colony collapse disorder, where billions of honeybee across the world are leaving their hives and never return. So what we can do? So we can help honeybee by planting seasonal and annual flower together and exploring the honey taste. With this, I would like to end my video. Hasta la vista, Arbitrary Explorer signing off.